for today's video, I thought I'll film a get to know me tag. I asked you guys on my Instagram to send in some questions, and a lot of you guys did, which I'm so thankful for. And so without any further ado, let's get on with the video. So the first question is, one thing you love doing the most. I love sleeping, I love eating food. These two are the things I love doing the most. Biggest regret. I feel like the biggest regret is lowering your standards. So yeah, I feel like that was my biggest regret. I don't think I should have ever done that. Do not settle for less, babies. Do not settle for less. Which of your parents are you closest to? Both of them, my mom and dad. I have a very good relationship with both of them. I never had such a relationship like back in the day, but now I'm kind of like with them all the time. Favorite restaurant? Probably I would say Chinese restaurant. When was the last time you told someone you love them? Probably I guess last night. And my friends, we always whenever we're hanging up the phone, we okay, I love you, bye. We kind of have that situation. So yeah. What TV show are you currently watching? I'm probably watching anime at this point. I'm not watching any TV shows. Your role model? Probably I'd say my mom. Have you ever failed in anything? So what did you learn? I would say I failed in relationships. I kind of failed in relationships for sure. And I would say the one thing that I've learned from them is you don't have to force anything. Do not force a relationship or a friendship. I think I would say to all my girls out there, do not force anything in this world. The outcome is not going to be a good one, and you're going to be the person that's going to be hurt in the end. So yeah. Dream job as a kid? Probably I would want to become an actor or something. I love becoming an actor. I love the whole film industry and everything, but nah. Your first crush? Probably when I was in second grade, I kind of like this guy. He was very hot. Oh my god, he was so hot. His eyes, he kind of had these cat eyes. And then I think he was so well groomed, you know what I'm saying? He was just perfect, and I was oh my god, he's so hot. He didn't give a single shit about me, honestly, but I would just look at him and be God damn it, I wish he spoke to me or something, or I wish we could become best friends or something like that. And then we did. We became friends in 5th grade, and after that he moved on with another girl, and yeah, I never confessed my feelings to him. Got any siblings? Yeah, I have a elder brother. How long was your longest relationship? 1 month. Favorite YouTubers? Who inspired you to start your own channel? I would say back in the day when I was 13 years old, I was watching Alicia Marin, I was watching Nikki and Gabby, I was watching Bethany, and all these YouTubers, and I was just seeing their lifestyle, and I was damn, wow. 13 years old, and the inspiration that got me into all of this was Alicia Marin, Nikki and Gabby, and Bethany Moto. And next question is, any sports you play? I do love playing badminton a lot, so yeah. Life goals? I don't know, man. Maybe, I don't know about life goals. I would say probably influencer. I like this shit that I'm doing. I really love taking pictures and everything, so maybe I'll make this as my lifestyle, but I don't know after that. Next question, tea or coffee? I don't choose. I would not choose either one of them. Are you in school? No. Dogs or cats? Definitely cats, but later in the future maybe I'll get a dog and a cat. I don't know, but I'm a cat woman for sure. I love cats more than dogs for sure. Yeah. Next question, how tall are you? I'm 5'4". The point of life when you actually went from a girl to a woman? I would say from the point of life where I actually went from a girl to a woman. Wow. The past 2 years, 17 and 18 for sure. They've been eye-opening to me, and I don't think so I would have ever become this person if it wasn't for the last 2 years, and for all the people who were there in my life in the past 2 years or something like that. So yeah, for sure, last 2 years. I'm literally not the same person that I was last 2 years ago. Probably a lot of shit changed me, a lot of things changed me mentally, physically, and yeah. How many times? Oh my god, so do we. Marvel or DC? Probably Marvel. I do love Harley Quinn and the squad of her, but I'm not a huge fan of DC. Probably Marvel for sure, yeah. Next question is, what is an unpopular opinion that you think should be popular? I don't like mac and cheese a lot. I don't like that shit. Your journey to self-love. I've probably always been in love with myself. Obviously, I would have times where I would feel like shit about myself, but whenever I used to feel that, I would just keep on encouraging myself. Self-love is an amazing thing, and I kind of got this one person in my life, like Shravani. I got her in my life, and then she kind of like taught me even more about taking care of your skin, taking care of your hair, and all of that. And wow, mentally awesome, doing awesome. Anytime shit would hurt me or anything like that, I would just like write it down and I would just spend time with myself alone. But yeah, I'm like used to being with myself a lot of times. I'm not used to sharing my problems with my friends a lot of times because I don't like doing that at all. And yeah, that's it. So I guess those are the questions, and that's it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys liked it. And so yeah, thank you so much for everyone for sending me the questions. It means a lot. And yeah.